Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Kokorosa Studio unboxing. I've actually already opened these. I was so excited when I received them. I could not wait to do the unboxing. You guys, these are amazing and surprising dyes. So just to let you guys know, Kokorosa is offering a 25% off the items or anything that you guys choose to get on the store. So just make sure you use that code, and of course that is almost like my affiliate link, so basically they see sales. So anyways, if you guys are interested in any of the dyes I show, I will also link them down on the description below. You guys are also welcome to use this coupon code on your purchase that you do for Kokorosa, and I will also link it down on the description below. So first one, this is a cute round flower leaf dye. It is so cute. So it is like a frame, and then these are the flowers right here, and these are extra leaves. So if you want to use those, there you go, you could use those. So a cute. I also got the strawberry. You guys, strawberries is very in right now. And you guys, this, I actually did die cut this dye, and as you guys could see, there's still pink in there. But I wanted to show you guys this right here. When I did die cut, it was a perfect dye. And look at this. Look at how awesome it is. So much detail into it. There you go. Excuse my nails. There you go. And then I got this flower. Oh my goodness. This shining, it's called Shining Little Stars, and you guys, it's a whole bunch of little stars with a big star, and I did not expect it to be this big, you guys. It covers almost both of my hands, you guys. Look at, isn't that amazing? It is like one full hand. But oh my goodness, I can do so many things with this. I have so many ideas. Well, I have an idea for this, and I can't wait to work with it. So again, amazing big dye, you guys. Alrighty. And I also got these are the heart lock, and there you go. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's called the heart lock, and I believe you can make it also to where you can open and close it. So I'm like trying to work with these, you guys, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna start working with these so soon. Anyways, and then I also got this elegant swan dye. Isn't that cute, you guys? I know swans were in a few years ago, and you know what, I think swans can be in at any time, and I think this is the cutest. It is pretty big, you guys. It is about the size, a little over the size of my palm, and nice, you guys. And then I got these tags right here, so there you go, you guys. I will link everything down on the description below. This tag actually has an opening. It will cut in the middle, and this one it won't cut, but it will cut in the in-betweens. I forgot to tell you guys that. So anyways, again, you guys, I will link everything that I received from Kokorosa down in the description below. You guys, take advantage of that extra coupon code. 25% of your purchase is, it's a big discount. To me it is. So anyways, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.